Hello everyone, again this is Rodolfo Eric Angat, your teacher in Earth and Environmental Science. So today we'll be learning how to submit our daily vocabulary tool. We have three types of vocabulary tool in this class. We have the word cloud, we have the vocabulary sheet of the week or VSOW, and we have the semantic map. For this week, we'll be having the EES Intro Vocabulary Sheet of the Week or VSOW. And then we'll be having the Scientific Method Word Cloud. And then we'll be having the Scientific Investigation Semantic Map. As you can see, this is a week's work. You have your vocabulary sheet of the week, you have your word cloud, and you have your semantic map. It will be like this every week, but we'll be dealing with different topics, but the procedure will always be the same. Let's begin with the vocabulary sheet of the week. Let's click the link. You will see here that the title of this lesson is EES Intro Vocabulary Sheet of the Week. Now, what you will do is that you will be watching the video, and while watching the video, you'll get some ideas about vocabulary words, and most probably you'll be informed about the meanings of this given vocabulary word. So I'm the one who gives you the 10 essential vocabulary words that you need to work on. If you need to watch the video again, please do. Or you can also use Google to research about the given 10 vocabulary words. Now, what will you do with these 10 vocabulary words? What you will do is that in your notebook, you will be writing your name, your class period, the date, and the title of the VSOW. The title is right here. Okay. And then you will draw a table similar to this one. The table has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay, you'll draw two and you'll number the first column as 1 to 5, and then the second table, first column will be 6 to 10. Now, the vocabulary words that I gave will be the words that you'll be putting here. After putting the vocabulary words, you'll define each one of them. You will use them in a sentence, and then you will draw them. Or you'll use them in sentences, and then you will draw them. Of course, make color your drawing so that it will be presentable. Now, typically, it's like this when you are in the classroom. But since we are in the COVID prevention, or we are following COVID protocol, I don't want to hand you papers and you handing them back to me as much as possible. So you'll be doing it in your notebook and you'll be submitting your work digitally. So this is a work that you will be submitting. And how will you be submitting it? So you just go up here, and this submission procedure is the same in all vocabulary tools. The process of creating your vocabulary tools may be different from one another, but the submission will all be the same. So to submit, click submit, and then you go to media, and then you click on record or upload media, and your camera will be enabled. And when it's enabled, let's say this is your project, just put it like that, record it. Okay, you click start recording. Okay, it's now recording, just like that. And then once you have about 5 seconds, if you have 2 pages, then flip and then finish. And then the title, you just type in the title. In this case, this is a word cloud. And then you click save. And then you submit. So I'll be receiving your vocabulary sheet of the week on my side, and I will be grading it from there. Now you'll be doing the same type of submission when you do your word cloud. This is the word cloud. I'll click this one. As you can see, it also has the same one. Submit the work. You'll be doing the same thing. Now with the word cloud, you'll be watching a video, and this is the video right here. You just click the link and watch the video. as you watch a video, you will be writing 25 pertinent vocabulary words. I mean pertinent to our lesson or anything that helps you understand the lesson. You need to properly select the vocabulary words that you write. So what will you do with the 25 vocabulary words? From the 25 vocabulary words, you will be creating a word cloud. So how does the word cloud look like? So it look like this. Now it all depends upon you on how you will be designing your word cloud, but make sure you do it artistically and properly. The big words are the one that you consider as the most important words, and the smaller words are the one that you consider as least important. So basically, the most important words are bigger than the lesser important words, and you decide on that. You can read more about it by reading the instructions how to do the word cloud from here. Now, once you're done with the word cloud, you put it here. Of course, you need to write your name, class period, date, the title, same procedure as the vocabulary sheet of the week, and then your word cloud here. And then at the bottom of the word cloud, you have to go to step 3, complete the statements. Here are the statements. You copy and complete them at the bottom of the word cloud right there. And once you are done, just like what you did earlier with the vocabulary sheet of the week, you just click on submit and take a short video and submit your work. And I'll be waiting for you. Yeah, I'll be waiting for your work. Now, let's go to the last vocabulary tool. The last vocabulary tool is the scientific investigation semantic map. As you can see, the button for submit assignment is right there. You do the same thing, okay? You take a short video and then submit the work. Now, you watch the video, and then after watching the video, you will be completing a semantic map. Now, the semantic map is still closed for today because this will be due on Thursday. But I can show you other semantic maps that you can use as a sample. Now, remember, you have to submit a digital copy of your work on a day-to-day basis. Now, all of the vocabulary tools will be collated and you'll be submitting your first project. Again, I'm repeating this. This is just the first. There will be another one before the end of the quarter, and there will be 2 more in quarter 4. Now, just to show you how they look like, so this is how you'll be this is how you'll be doing your project, or this is how you'll be submitting your project. And this video will also give you an idea on how to do the vocabulary tools in your notebook. Let's watch it. Hello, my name is Berengin, and this is okay. I'll remove the audio, and you'll see here that this is a vocabulary, this is a word cloud, and these are the sentences that were completed. I'll move it forward so that we can find the vocabulary sheet. So this is a vocabulary sheet of the week. So you explain them in your project. And then how about the semantic map? This is a semantic map. This is just one example, though there are so many different kinds. Again, a vocabulary sheet of the week. And we have the word cloud again. And then we have the sentence completion. Then vocabulary word cloud, semantic map, and then vocabulary sheet of the week. So these are the projects that you'll be doing in your notebook. Make sure that your notebook is presentable and make sure that you do your work well. Thank you so much, guys. See you again. If you have any questions, please do ask those questions when we see each other in class. Bye-bye.